Crimea, with its rugged terrain and rocky landscapes, is a region known for its diverse geographical features. Crimean Peninsula is connected to the mainland by the Perekop Isthmus and boasts a varied landscape consisting of shallow inlets, steppe regions under agricultural cultivation, and alpine fold mountains in the south. The Crimean Mountains, also referred to as the Yala Mountains, run parallel to the southeastern coast of Crimea and feature peaks like Roman Kosh, rising to 1,545 meters in height. The mountains exhibit a range of vegetation zones, from steppe and broadleaf forests on the northern slopes of shrublands and woodlands on the southern slopes. The vegetation in southern Crimea is influenced by its Mediterranean biome characteristics, with mild winters and dry summers. The region is home to a variety of flora, including oak forests, junipers, and myrtle, and supports activities such as vine cultivation, tobacco farming and tourism, contributing significantly to the local economy. The climate and topography of Crimea vary, with the mountains playing a crucial role in influencing precipitation patterns and determining vegetation distribution. The southern coast experiences a temperate climate with distinct seasons, resembling a Mediterranean climate, but with specific differences in temperature and rainfall distribution. Throughout its history, the southern region of Crimea has experienced cultural exchanges and agricultural influences from Mediterranean region. Greek colonization in the first millennium BC introduced farming practices, including vine cultivation, which transformed the landscape. Subsequent Ottoman and Russian influences further Mediterraneanized the region, promoting viticulture, tourism, and the cultivation of subtropical crops. In conclusion, Crimea's rocky terrain, diverse vegetation, varied climate, and historical interactions with the Mediterranean region have collectively shaped its unique geographical and cultural landscape.